How to fix Twitter video quality. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix Twitter video quality. So let's get started. First and foremost, you have to make sure that your internet connection or your Wi-Fi connection is stable. If you have poor internet connection, that might affect your Twitter video. So make sure that you have strong internet connection to have a good Twitter video quality. And another thing, you have to go through the Twitter application, so there might be some problem with the application itself. Now to check that, open up Twitter application or X application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to top left corner and tap on the profile icon. From this menu bar, tap on settings and support, and then again tap on settings and privacy. Now, under settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on accessibility display in languages. Now under this, there is an option as data usage at the last, tap on it. Now under data usage, navigate to images section and tap on the first option that says high quality images. Tap on it and make sure the first option, mobile data and Wi-Fi, is selected. Similar with that, navigate to video section and tap on high quality video, and here also make sure the first option, mobile data and Wi-Fi, is selected. Once you make this sure, now you can have the high quality video in Twitter. So this is the way to fix Twitter video quality, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.